so I was able to generate this and this and this and also this and this and this. I was able to generate all these photos using just AI, and I believe a lot of you might know how to do this particular stuff. You're going to see that this person right here is actually called Mackenzie. Now, except you live under a rock right here in Nigeria, you definitely know who Mackenzie is. He posted this particular photo one day ago, over 247,000 likes. It has a lot of shares and also a lot of comments, and it dawned on me that Mackenzie might be making a whole lot of money. So I went and asked ChatGPT to give me a rough estimate of how much Mackenzie earned from Facebook every single month. ChatGPT said, based on what you're seeing on my screen, that Mackenzie earned roughly 10 million to 30 million naira from Facebook every single month. And I was like, wow. By the way, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Solomon. I talk about different side hustle opportunities, and if you want to get more content from me, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and do all to comment who you're watching from in the comment section. If you're a member of my community, thank you very much. If you're not a member, what are you waiting for? Just click on that join right there and join the community. Thank you very much. A lot of people are using AI to generate images for themselves. Images they are generating are all personal images, just like the ones you're seeing on my screen. I can tell you that this particular photo performs much more better than the one Mackenzie actually posted alone. Now, let's actually confirm that. Let's scroll down right here, and you're going to see that this is 9,000, which is actually pretty cool. And this is the one he posted one day ago. And let's scroll down again. Now, this is another one he posted alone, 6,000. Now, let's scroll down. This is another one again, 5,000. And this is another one again, 6,000. And let's go down. This is another one he posted with another celebrity, 36,000. Now, have you noticed the pattern? The photos he posts alone, they are okay. The one he posts with other celebrities are giving him more likes and more views. And this is what we want to duplicate today. And this is what we want to do today. This is what we want to use to start making some money. So the first thing right here is for us to go over to ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is going to be the one that's going to do most of the work. And we're also going to be using Nano Banana. Don't worry. I know some of you will say, Solomon, and why should I use Nano Banana? There's going to be watermark on it. Don't worry. I'm going to be showing you how you can brush these images so they can look much more professional. So just keep watching. We are going to ask you to give us a prompt for Nano Banana, and this prompt should be for me as the main character and the celebrity figure I want to be in the picture. Okay, so I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and say something like, okay, I need another prompt for Nano Banana. This particular prompt, I want me to be there as the main character, and I also want another popular celebrity to be there. For example, somebody like Dwayne Johnson or somebody like Jackie Chan. I want you to be in a social gathering, for example, party. I need a prompt for Nano Banana. Remember, me myself as the main character. ChatGPT is going to give me a prompt for that. Another thing is that most people don't know how to create the pictures I showed you guys earlier. Now, while we wait for ChatGPT to generate our prompt, come over to Pinterest right here and search for something quite amazing. This looks nice. I'm going to download this particular image. I'm going to come over to ChatGPT. Let me upload the image we just got from Pinterest. Describe the photo without the character. So describe the scene, the outfit, the lighting and everything without the character. After the description, give me a prompt for Nano Banana that I can actually duplicate this particular format of post. I'm going to come over here and copy everything right here. You're going to need a full photo of yourself so that the AI can actually recognize you very, very well. All right, so I have to go out right now and take a photo because, to be sincere, I don't have a photo of my full self, the front and the back. How funny is that? All right, so I went out and I got something for myself. I'm going to come here and put that particular image I just got, and I'm going to paste that particular prompt again. It gave me the half image just like what I gave it. You can see this is actually amazing. So this is how you can create images like this. I believe by now our prompt is actually ready for the celebrity stuff. So let's just go and check for the prompt. Okay, the prompt was actually ready. Let me just copy everything right here. I'm going to come here and import my full body photo, and I'm going to come over here and put that prompt. Let's see what will now happen. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is actually funny. I mean, this is amazing. Change my slippers, make me wear shoes, or make me wear the same thing that Dwayne Johnson is wearing, and make the lighting the same, blend the colors together. Alright guys, so after trying for some time, because I actually tried for some time, there are some things that I actually learned about this. Number one, whenever you want to generate an image, please don't use Gemini directly inside the Gemini app. Don't go directly to Google AI Studio. That's where you can access Nano Banana. Number two, there are some settings here that I just discovered that you need to tweak if you actually want this to work out perfectly for you. You come down to Google AI Studio, just come over here and click on these particular three lines at the top. These are their models. The first one right here is actually going to show you their models right here. So if you come over here and click on it, you're going to see different models that Google actually have. They have a lot of models. Then the latest one is Imagen. Imagen 4 is their latest one, but we are currently using Nano Banana. System instruction, this is very important. Click on it, and here you're going to see that I titled this one celebrities, and these are the instructions I gave the system. This instruction is going to guide Nano Banana in case you want to generate an image. Is going to know that, okay, these are the custom or default instructions. So if you don't know what to give it, go over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you an instructions that you can paste it that are going to help you make your images much more better. Let's see some of the things I've been able to do. I came up with this. I got these again. My skin tone was off. I got these again. The thing started changing my face. This was actually very funny. Gemini started blending my old background plus my new background. I told ChatGPT to give me a prompt and for me to actually stop this from happening. I got this. I mean, this was not really that good. You see, I'm still wearing shorts here and I'm wearing slippers. You can see that I got this. I mean, it was not still that good. I actually got this and I finally got something like this, and this was actually amazing. So after so many try, I got this. You can see that the street light on this street blends on. It's actually pouring on my face. Now you can actually post this like this. This is okay. Another thing is that once Gemini or Nano Banana start misbehaving, don't try to force it. It's not going to correct. Just start a new chat. Can decide to go and crop it and remove the watermark and still use it. For example, shift it where however you want. You can just crop it up. You can see, and that's fine. If the image is blurry and you don't like it that is blurry, use Adobe Lightroom for you to make it much more cleaner. There's another tool by Google right here. Snapseed can also help you remove watermark from that photo. So right here we are looking for this particular tool right here called healing. So let's click on healing. We're going to come here and tap on this particular spot. As you can see, that photo, that particular watermark right there is actually gone. So I'm going to come here and click on save. I'm going to click on export and click on save again. And that's it. So this is actually much more easier than going through all those stress. Now you can see that we save our photo and the watermark is not there anymore. How can you actually earn money with this particular method? So once you're done with your image, you're done with everything, come over to Facebook. A page is different from a profile. A page is much more better than a profile. Start posting that particular photo, right? So I'm just going to come over on Facebook and I'm going to bring in that particular image right here. I'm going to type in something funny. Haters will say it's AI. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to click on next. Post. So you can see that I just posted, or it's actually posting. So this is how you post. Mackenzie has been posting this consistently like 4-5 times every single day. So you as a beginner, you can start posting like 10-15 times every single day. Nano Banana is completely free. Follow this process that I just showed you. Stop posting for free. Most of you are posting for free because you're using your profile. Create a page, create a Facebook page, repeat the same process that I just showed you right here and start posting. If you need any of those prompts, and I'm going to drop it for you down in the comments, or you can join my WhatsApp community, join my Telegram community for you to request for those particular prompts. So make use of AI right now, that AI is very, very popular. A lot of people are actually using this. So utilize this opportunity to make some extra cash for yourself. I'm not saying this is going to work out for you. you. It can only work out for you if you're consistent enough, and if you're only focused enough, and if you're only passionate about it. You understand? I'm not saying if you try this now, you can start making money tomorrow. It's going to take some time for this to actually work out for you, just in case you choose to try. But I can tell you, if you try this with consistent effort, highest 30 days, highest 60 days, you're actually going to see some good results.